Stanford experiment was basically this, that college students were given the directive to play jailers and inmates. I believe this was like in the 70s. By the time that this thing unfolded, it was like super chaos. It broke down so fast. They were prison guards and they were having them stay underneath the lecture hall in these made prison cells. And the prisoners broke down to all the prisoner antics that we see in a federal or state prison. And the guards were hardcore on these kids. There was like, in particular, the day shift. One of the shifts was like the worst. And it had to do with one or two individuals on the guards that just did stuff and no one else did anything to stop them. They were able to keep pushing the boundaries to where the treatment just kept getting worse and worse. And the other students were like begging to leave, and they were basically literally imprisoning them. They were reporting back to the warden, which was the professor. He was doing everything he could to almost not be involved.
Because he just didn't want to?
Yeah.
Or, okay.
Yeah, because he wanted to see what happened. That was the whole experiment.
Oh, okay.
Is to see what happened.
Yeah.
You take kids that have done nothing wrong and guards that have done nothing to be superior about. They were just students, right? Supposedly on some level of equal footing. I think they volunteered for this study. It was a short experiment because it was just getting too bad. They couldn't ethically stand by anymore and let it run because they were afraid that someone's going to be severely injured. Yeah, it was like in a matter of weeks. Like in a matter of 2 weeks, there was a clear problem. And then I think it started to escalate.